Komisi Bynta ban kentiu ya karoi kapar hakakam rijingri. Labu ya Mawnongrim hakadem kulai ribhoi na ka Bynta ka Regional Semen Production Laboratory bat Semen Bank na ka Bynta ki Langbrot bat ki Blang hapo ka National Livestock Mission. Haba ajing kren kum ukongsan Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry bat Veterinary uba ALHEG. Ula banjur ban donlang ya gejinggit kli ban pentikna ya gejing job pura chongka project na ka Bynta ki Nongrim. La penlong ru ya gejing tungding ha katai kecaka Komisi Bynta chongka jing rakhe ya ka World Environment Day.
We have the sole responsibility to ensure that this is productive. We create employment also, we create job for the others by having this kind of deep project. So that's why I humble request, my appeal to each one of us, including myself and everyone, take this project as your own, of our own project. This is not a government project. Then only we will see the productivity and we'll see also the sustainability of this project.
Kawai kalong kami ba